Third Eye TV again. It's your boy, Songbird. Yesterday, man, a friend of mine and his wife and his children came over, and his old lady bust out and started crying because she was hungry and ready to go home to get something to eat. She was literally crying, boo-hooing like a big baby, a grown-ass woman of 5 children, 6 children, 5 children, something like that, and you boo-hooing. So, you know Songbird, I had to write a song about it. And in favor of my homeboy, this is what he should have told her. Don't you cry, baby, baby. It's gonna be alright. We're gonna get you home to your burgers and your fries. Yes, we will. And your Kool-Aid will taste alright if you just hold on and don't cry. Third Eye TV. This is how we get down, baby. Your boy, Songbird. Y'all be blessed.